Dogs, cats or pets in the house are lovable, close to humans, gentle tamed. The saying goes, there are 3 faithful friends, a brand wife, a dog that has been raised since childhood and some money in reserve. Benjamin Franklin. The dog is very intelligent. They crawl into a discreet corner and lick their spears and don't go out into the world until they are healed. Agatha Christie. Dogs are one of the remaining reasons why you can persuade some people to go out for a walk. Aloysius Battista. If there are no dogs in heaven, when I die, I want to go where they are. Will Rogers. Dogs will teach you to love unconditionally. If you had that in life, life wouldn't be too bad. Robert Wagner. I realize that every time I lose a dog, it brings a piece of my heart. And every new dog that comes to me gives me a piece of his heart. If I live long enough, all my heart will become them. And I will become as generous and loving as they are. No name. Dogs are the only thing on earth that loves you more than loves itself. Josh Billings. The more I look at humanity, the more I like my dog. Blaise Pascal. The world would be a better place if everyone could love unconditionally like dogs. N.K. Clinton. Dogs are not my whole life, but they make my life whole. Roger Carras. Subscribe to the channel to hear some good stories about human-dog friendships.